What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color Kissy Missy from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start over on the left side, start with a curve, coming down, and we'll bend that up towards the right side. Now I want to round out the side of the mouth with a curve coming around and then in, almost like drawing a bracket. And we'll close off the bottom of the mouth with that same curve. Come down in the middle, going across, and we'll bring that up towards the right. And then we'll add that center seam of the mouth, leaving a gap on either side. We'll go in the middle, go all the way across, and then bend that up. Let's place the eyes on top of the lips. Starting over on the left, we're going to draw an oval, coming in an angle, go all the way around, and then back down. Let's take that eye and flip it over on the right, starting on top of the lip, going all the way around, coming in, and then back down. Let's trace the eyes along the inside. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now let's place the eyelashes on top of the eye. We're going to start on the left side with one long curve going out and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And draw two shorter lashes on either side. Now from here on, draw the outside of the head. Let's start on top of the left eye. We're going to step up, curve the head going up, and then bending that down towards the side. Let's go back to the middle. Just going to round this out, going up and then down. And we'll add some fur along the corners of the head. I'm going to round this out and pull this in. Let's add another curve going out and in. And we'll add one more pointing down. Let's add a couple points on the right side. And then going back to the side, we're just going to round out the cheek, going out, pulling this in around the mouth, and then bend that down towards the shoulder. Let's go to the right side. We're just going to bend the head going out, around the lip, and we'll pull that in towards the same height. Now I'm going to place the bow in the center of the neck. Starting in between the neck, start with a circle in the middle, and then on the top left, curve this around, come down and then back up along the bottom. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's trace the bow along the inside. Let's add the end of the bow, starting in the middle, curve out and down toward the left and right. And we'll flatten off the end with a short angled line. And we'll follow that same curve coming back up underneath the bow. Now from here, we're going to bend the arms coming around and up above the head. Let's start from the neck. Start with the curve going up, and bending that out. We'll round this out, going around the head, going up toward the top, and we'll bend that down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the neck, curve up, and then out. Gradually round out the arm, going up toward the top, and then bending that down on the inside. Let's add some fur around the cuff. Starting on the left, we'll round this out, go back out, and add a few more points going all the way up toward the top of the wrist. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to taper the outside of the arm coming back in towards the body. Let's start from the top left. Just going to follow that curve going all the way around. And as you come down towards the bottom, I'm just going to taper this coming in and then down in behind the bow. Let's do the same thing on the right. Again, just following that curve, going all the way around, come down. Now we're just going to taper this towards the side of the bow. Let's add the hands pointing down towards the head. Starting from the bottom left, come in, bend that down, round out the hand, going up and back out. Let's take that hand and flip it over on the right. Coming down, round out the hand, and then back up. And we'll separate the fingers with 2 curves on either side. Now from here we're going to work our way down the side of the body. Let's start underneath the bow on the left side, curve this in, and bend that back out towards the hip. Let's add some fur across the bottom. Start with a point, curve this out, back in, then add one more. Now let's go underneath the bow on the right side, curve the body going out towards the right, then bend that back in towards the bottom. Now you want to add 1 point of fur, so pulling this back up, and we'll curve the body coming down and aiming towards the left side, but we'll leave a gap along the end. Let's bend the left leg. Starting from the side of the fur, start by coming down in an angle, round up the leg, and then pull that back in. Let's add some fur across the ankle. Start by bending this in, add another curve, and we'll start to bend these up towards the top of the ankle, and add one more. Now we're going to follow this curve along the outside, going out around the knee, come in, and then up behind the body. Now on the right side, we're going to start by curving this around and then over toward the left. Bend the leg going out, down, and back towards the right, towards the bottom of the ankle. Let's add some fur across the bottom, and down and up, and we'll work our way across towards the right with these small curves. Let's taper the leg going back up toward the top, going around, and back up, and we'll bend this back up underneath the body. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the foot. Let's start from the bottom of the ankle, start with a toe, coming in and up, round up the toe, and come back down. And then we'll bend the foot going out towards the left. Starting from the inside of the toe, go up, and then bend that out just underneath the arm, round up the foot, and pull that back in. Let's separate the toes with 2 curves, starting on one on the left, and then the right. And we'll go down and draw on the right foot. Starting from the inside of the ankle, start with the first toe coming down and then up. Just going to round out the bottom of the foot and go up towards the top. Let's round out the foot, come down, and just bend that back in underneath the ankle. Now we're going to separate the toes with 2 curves. Now let's grab some markers and I'll show you how to color this in. We'll start by filling the lips with this red. And we'll fill the hands and the feet with this bright yellow. I'm going to fill the bow with this bright blue. And then filling in the rest of the body with this bright pink. And as we get near the end, we'll finish coloring this in, and always be sure to sign your artwork. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Kissy Missy from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.